Looking for a reliable partner for mobile app development and graphic design services? Our team of experts specializes in creating visually stunning designs and developing custom mobile apps that align with your business goals. We offer expertise in native mobile development using Android and iOS separately, as well as in making robust apps in hybrid using React Native or Flutter. Our team also specializes in cross-platform development, UI/UX design, and maintenance and support services. We understand that every business has unique requirements, and we work closely with our clients to develop custom mobile apps that align with their goals. Creating a visually stunning brand identity is crucial for any business to stand out in today's crowded marketplace. Our team of skilled graphic designers use tools like Adobe Creative Suite, Sketch, and Figma, among others, to help you establish a unique brand identity that aligns with your messaging and business goals. We offer a wide range of services, including branding and identity, print and digital media design, web design, illustration, and animation.